You think this is way cool?
Yes. Like a million times better than that.
I get so busy watching my step, I forget to look up. That's cool.
This is a beautiful hike.
Suck it in. Yeah. This little side canyon looks cool. You want to go for a swim? I'm not sure how deep that is, but it's definitely over Tommy's head. We'd have to swim over there to get to it. It's still not that warm right now. I'm not sure we want to do that. Yeah, have a little slip and fall there. Poor Tom, he just gets done saying he doesn't want to get wet, and then he fell in.